Hi, my dear students. Very good morning to all. How are you all? I hope you are fine. Last class, what we discussed, remember we discussed about Vinoba Bhave. Yes. Do you know about Vinoba Bhave? Vinoba Bhave was one of the great leaders of India and he is the best friend of Mahatma Gandhiji. Yes. Vinoba Bhave started Buddhist movement in the year 1951. Yes. What is the other name of Buddhist movement? Socio-agriculture movement. Yeah. For what purpose he started this movement? For donating land for landless farmers. Yes. What is the vision of Vinoba Bhave? His vision was that every poor farmers in India should have at least a small patch of land for his own to grow food for the families. Okay, there is a vision of Vinoba Bhave. Are you clear, ma, about the story? Okay, now you are into your booklet. Roman 1. Meanings. What is the first question? Read it. Vision, imagination. Vision meaning, imagination. Patch, plot. Patch, plot. Donation, contribution. Donation meanings, contribution. Persuading, advice. What is the meaning of persuading? Advice. Gifter, capable. The Roman 2. Fill in the blanks. Das was one of the great leaders of India. Vinoba Bhave was one of the great leaders of India. Second one, Vinoba Bhave was a close friend of Gandhiji. Vinoba Bhave was a close friend of Gandhiji. His vision was that every dense farmer in India should have land. Poor farmers in India should have land. Vinoba Bhave asked for donation of land. The act of giving some of the lands of landowners to poor families is called the Das movement, Udan movement. Next, true or false? First question. Vinoba Bhave wanted to help the rich farmers of India. False. Yes, he wanted to help Das farmers of India, poor farmers of India. Second question. 10 acres of land were gifted to poor farmers. False. How many acres of land were gifted to poor farmers? 1000 acres. Yes. Then third question. More and more people came to know about Vinoba Bhave. Yes, true. After they form a leadership. Yes. A leader is a good organizer and good communicator. True. Vinoba Bhave asked to donate clothes for poor farmers. False. He asked to donate dance for poor farmers, land for poor farmers. Are you clear, students? Today I am going to teach leadership. Already we discussed about leadership. Yes. Vinoba Bhave is one of the great leader. Yes. Why he is a good leader? Vinoba Bhave did not set out. His vision was only helping poor farmers. Yes. What does a good leader do? A good leader bring about a change for the better. Yes. Who is a good leader? Yes. A leader is one who inspire and motivate the team. Yes. And some changes. Yes. A leader is one who inspire and motivates action having. He can do personality and strong leadership skill is the key to leading the charge. Is a good leader. Yes. A leader is one who inspire and motivates actions. How he can do personality and strong leadership skill is the key to leading the charge. A good leader. Yes. Yeah. What does a good leader do? A good leader bring about a change for a better. Yes. Then what are the qualities of a leadership? What are the qualities of a leader? What are the qualities? Communications, responsibilities, skills, competence, motivation, teamwork, support, power. Yes, these are the some of the qualities of leadership. Yes, already discussed. A leader is a good organizer and good communicator. Yes, the leaders are able to communicate all the group members. Yes, a leader is a good organizer and good communicator. A leader want to work with people and take a responsibility. The leader also want to work with the team and take the responsibility of the team. Yes, want to take the responsibility. The team leader. Yes, then the leader also share some new ideas. The team members, and the leader want to inspire the team, give each team member to self-confidence to perform well, encourage the team members, okay, and give self-confidence, protect and support the team at all the times. The team leader, yes, the leaders want to protect the team in all the times, and also the leader want to support the team, yes, whether the project is good or bad. Yes, anyway, the leader want to support the team members. That is another good quality of the leader. Yes, and also the leaders want to trust and respect the people, respect the team members. Okay, the leaders want to trust and respect the team members. These are the some of the qualities of leadership. Okay, what are the quality of leadership? Communication, responsibility, skill, competence, motivation, teamwork, support, and power. Yes, then only they can lead the team. Yes, these are the some of the qualities of leadership. Then next, some of the leaders think this is one of the power, so they misuse the power, misusing the powers. Yes, some people think leadership only means power. Such leaders get their work done by threatening the others. Yes, they do some illegal works. Yes, these peoples misuse power and betray people's trust. Yes, they get bad name in the people's mind. Okay, power should not be misused. How can you use this? And to trust the people. Yes, love, care the people. Yes, the dharma of true leadership is love of others and selfless commitment to a shared causes. Okay, a dharma of true leadership is love of others and selfless commitment. Is it true leadership? They want to trust the people and you respond respect to all the peoples. Okay, as a good leader. Then we're going to discuss about a story. Okay, in your book, page number 45. Okay, Jhansi Rose was a school teacher in Hubli. Yes, Jhansi Rose was a retired school teacher. After retirement, she missed her children. So she searched some other school for teaching. Okay, so she visiting the local corporation school where she know they need they needed a bit of help with Hindi language classes. Okay, so she think some of the students need Hindi language classes. The school teachers also welcomed her when she began reading our stories and talking to the children in Hindi to encourage them to speak better. Yes, the teachers also welcome her while she read her stories and interact with the students through Hindi language. Yes, it improved the communication skill. After some days, Jhansi draws nearest person. Okay, is a retired clerk. Went along with her and asked if the children needed help with mathematics. Okay, he offered to coach them free of charge in the evening. Okay, so they offer to coach the students of charge in the free of charge without fee. They teach the students in the evening time. Okay, this will be spread throughout the world. Okay, after there is also a teacher. Some of the subject teachers voluntarily came to the school and spend an hour or two either during school time or after school to help the children with their lesson. Okay, some of the teachers voluntarily came to the school and they teach the children and improve the subject skill. Okay. Jhansi Rose did not set out to be a leader, but she led by a good leader. Okay, she does not set out to be a leader, but she led by example of good leader. Okay, are you clear? Why she is a good leader? After retirement, also she like to teach students. Yes. So some of them follow Jhansi Rose. Yes. Okay. Nationalism. Gandhiji said sensitivity and commitment to the poorest and the weakest in the society is the essential quality of leader. What is the essential quality of leader? Sensitivity and commitment to the poorest and the weakest in the society. Okay, the leaders want to trust the peoples and give response and give respect to the peoples. Okay, the good leader touch people's lives. Yes, the good leader touch people's lives. Good ideas along do not make people into leaders. The good ideas do not make people to a leader. They need to believe in themselves and others. The persons want to believe themselves and others. Okay, they want to trust and give respect to the peoples. We must, to students listen, we must all pay attention to developing our leadership qualities. As we have seen, it is more than a skill, it is valuable. Yes, so we must pay attention to developing our leadership skills. What are the qualities of a good leader? What are the qualities of a good leader? Is communications. Yes, teamwork, empower, inspire people, share vision. Yes, lead change. These are the some of the qualities of leaders. Yeah, are you clear, students? Okay, ma.